You've probably heard that the housing market is red hot, that houses are flying off the shelves, so to speak. They're getting multiple offers and selling for way above the asking price. And that certainly was true in 2021, and it probably will be in 2022 as well. So why is the housing market so crazy? It's good old economics and comes down to something that you learned in school called supply and demand. When there's a limited supply of houses on the market and a lot of interested buyers, sellers have an advantage. And that's what we call a seller's market. Sellers can list their houses for higher prices and may even get multiple offers, which will drive the sales price even higher. In a seller's market, homes sell faster and buyers compete with each other for the most desirable homes. Buyers rarely have the power to negotiate and may have to accept less than perfect properties in their current condition. So why are there so few houses on the market? Well, this is a national problem, but let's break it down and look at it locally. In Pittsburgh, a lot of retirees are aging in place. They're not selling their homes, so there's no turnover. Builders haven't been able to keep up with the demand, especially with rising prices and supply chain disruptions. Because it's so hilly here, it's even more expensive to build than in other places. On top of that, millennials are starting to settle down and have families. This huge influx of first-time homebuyers is putting a strain on the already tight housing market. So there you have it, not enough supply and too much demand. So what should you do if you're a buyer in this market? As long as you're patient, you should be able to find a house. But you have to understand that this is not a normal market. When you find a desirable home, time is of the essence. You have to act quickly and make a strong offer with as few contingencies as possible. During the spring market, you may even lose out on a few deals. But don't despair. Most buyers will find a lovely place to call home. It just may take a little bit longer. I'm Robin Taylor. If you like this content, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. This is Real Estate Done Right.